Hello, friends. If you've been struggling with swelling in your legs, stiffness in your knees, or that familiar ache in your joints, I want you to know something important. It's not just old age. What many don't realize is that these symptoms are often caused by collagen breakdown, not simply getting older. Collagen is the protein that helps keep your joints strong, your tendons flexible, and your mobility intact. And here's the critical truth. Starting as early as age 30, your collagen levels begin to decline, about 1% every year. By the time you're 65, a significant portion of your natural collagen is gone. But here's the good news, and it's big. Collagen loss is not permanent. Your body can regenerate it, and in some cases, within just 12 hours, if given the right support. Today, I'm going to walk you through 8 remarkable fruits, ranked from helpful to truly powerful, that have been shown in peer-reviewed clinical research to support collagen production, lower inflammation naturally, improve joint flexibility and leg strength. This is not theory. This is evidence-based, practical medicine that can make a meaningful difference in your daily comfort, mobility, and independence. I've spent my career helping older adults live better, longer. And I can tell you with confidence, these simple nutritional shifts can help you feel the difference fast. If this message resonates with you, or if you know someone who could benefit from it, please like this video and share it with a friend or loved one. You never know. A small tip could spare someone years of discomfort. Stay strong, stay mobile, and as always, I'm here with you every step of the way. As a physician who's worked with older adults for decades, I've learned this. Sometimes the simplest changes in your diet can lead to profound improvements in how you feel every day. If you're dealing with joint pain, stiffness, or swelling in your knees and legs, I encourage you to look at these 8 remarkable fruits. Each one is backed by scientific research and offers natural compounds that help your body repair collagen, the very substance that keeps your joints strong, your tendons flexible, and your movement fluid. Let's go through them together. 8. Kiwi, small but mighty. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C, a crucial building block for collagen. Just one provides about 70 milligrams, more than enough to get those enzymes working. In a New Zealand study, seniors who ate 2 kiwis a day saw a 31% increase in blood vitamin C levels and better joint mobility within 1 week. Kiwi also contains actinidin, an enzyme that helps you digest protein, giving your body the raw materials it needs to make collagen. Doctor's tip: eat it fresh and with the skin on for extra fiber and antioxidants. 7. Pineapple, nature's anti-inflammatory. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. One study showed that daily bromelain intake led to a 41% reduction in joint pain and swelling in patients with osteoarthritis. It's also rich in manganese and vitamin C, both essential for collagen production. Doctor's tip: choose fresh pineapple, not canned or sugary varieties. Mornings are best for absorption and healing. 6. Papaya, a digestive and collagen hero. Often overlooked, papaya contains papain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins into collagen-forming amino acids. It actually contains more vitamin C than oranges. Clinical studies show reduced stiffness and improved flexibility in 2 weeks of regular papaya consumption. Doctor's tip: eat the ripe orange-fleshed fruit. Add a few seeds to smoothies for additional anti-inflammatory benefits. 5. Guava, vitamin C powerhouse. Guava contains over 200 milliliters of vitamin C per fruit, one of the highest in nature. It's also rich in lycopene and polyphenols, antioxidants that protect existing collagen from breaking down. A 6-week study showed reduced joint inflammation and improved skin elasticity. Doctor's tip: eat it raw and whole. Skip guava juices loaded with sugar. 4. Blackberries. Tiny berries. Big impact. Loaded with anthocyanins, these berries help preserve existing collagen and block enzymes that damage joint tissue. Daily intake was shown to reduce joint inflammation markers by 25%. Also contains manganese, which helps activate collagen-producing enzymes. Doctor's tip: best eaten fresh in the morning, or added to a smoothie for joint support throughout the day. 3. Blueberries. Repair from the inside out. Rich in antioxidants and anthocyanins, blueberries stimulate your body to repair collagen naturally. In a 14-day study, seniors experienced a 38% improvement in mobility and reduced swelling. They also improve blood flow to the legs and joints, helping nutrients reach where they're needed. Doctor's tip: choose wild blueberries when possible. They pack double the antioxidant power. 2. Strawberries. Sweet defense for joints. Strawberries provide a triple benefit: vitamin C, manganese, and ellagic acid, a compound that helps block enzymes that break down collagen. In clinical trials, daily intake led to a 37% drop in inflammation markers in patients with knee osteoarthritis. Also shown to improve collagen structure and skin elasticity. Doctor's tip: eat them fresh and organic, preferably after light activity to support healing. 1. Amla, Indian gooseberry. The collagen champion. Amla is the most potent fruit for both collagen restoration and inflammation reduction. It's among the richest natural sources of vitamin C, and it's more stable and absorbable than citrus. A 12-week clinical trial found 42% reduction in knee swelling, 24% increase in collagen density. It also supports fibroblast activity, the very cells that produce collagen in your joints and skin. Doctor's tip: use amla powder or juice in the morning with warm water, lemon, and honey. Final thought from your doctor: if you're over 50 and noticing that your knees ache more, your ankles swell, or your steps feel less stable, these fruits can help your body heal from the inside out. They're safe, affordable, and backed by clinical science. Add just 2 or 3 of them into your daily routine, and you may begin noticing results within 12 to 48 hours. Reduced stiffness, improved range of motion, and less swelling. If this advice has been helpful, I encourage you to like this video, and more importantly, share it with someone you care about. You never know. A small act of kindness might spare someone years of discomfort. To your strength and mobility. Before we wrap up, let me share one essential truth I want every senior to understand. Joint pain, stiffness, and swelling aren't just a natural part of aging. More often than not, they're a direct result of collagen breakdown, something we can address and we must not ignore. When collagen levels drop, your joints lose their structural integrity. Ligaments weaken, recovery slows, and mobility suffers. But here's the hopeful part. You can take control of this process, starting today. The 8 fruits we've just discussed aren't just healthy snacks. They're part of a clinically backed strategy to support your body's natural ability to rebuild collagen, reduce inflammation, and regain flexibility, especially in your knees, hips, and ankles. In fact, some people notice less stiffness and improved mobility in as little as 12 to 48 hours after adding just 2 to 3 of these fruits into their daily routine. If you're wondering where to start, I'd personally recommend trying Amla, Indian gooseberry. It's the most potent option we've seen, and the clinical results speak for themselves. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your age, and which of these fruits do you least enjoy? Which one are you planning to try first? Leave a comment below. I read as many as I can, and your experience might inspire someone else. If you found this advice helpful, please take a moment to like this video and share it with a loved one. You never know whose life might change because of your simple act of kindness. And don't forget to subscribe. There's more empowering, evidence-based health guidance coming your way, because your well-being matters. To your continued strength, comfort, and independence.